Hi everybody, Chris and Marina here. We are at the cast preview of the reopening of Disneyland, California. We're about to get on the updated Haunted Mansion ride, and we're excited to show you some of the new and updated changes to the ride. So we invite you to join us on this episode of The Walker Chronicles.
Lines are pretty short, although they did just reopen this ride.
How many do you have?
3.
Give me that 4 so go down that way. Okay. Take that 4 so go down that way.
Our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain on your assigned markers for the entire trip, keeping those face coverings up at all times.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of bullying, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chill. Listen.
music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
The happy haunts every strange or sympathetic vibrations that are beginning to materialize. They're assembling formations, lingering late. Don't be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.